up, y'all? It's your girl Brandon Britt, and I am getting ready for I have never been to Coachella before, and I am very, 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 very excited. I've been to other festivals before, and I've been to Cali numerous times. Coachella is something I've always wanted to go to, and it just so happens that Beyonce is going to be there too. So I'm like uberly excited. Now my cousin invited me to come, which is so awesome when you have awesome family members and friends that just invite you to awesome events. All I had to do is get my flight, so this has just really been like a blessing in disguise. Like, I remember I was saying one day how stressed I was and how I just needed a break, and literally like 5 minutes later, my cousin texted me and she invited me to Coachella. So that right there is just manifestation at its best, and I'm so excited. So I've done a couple things to get ready because I've never done this before. So of course I looked up other YouTube videos, and I just looked up, different websites. I've been tracking the Coachella from last week and just to see what people are wearing, what they're doing, so that I can make sure that I'm prepared, because it is in a lot of heat. It is going to be a long day, a lot of walking. So I just wanted to make sure that I am prepared, because I'm going to be having so much fun. Wait, should I have on my Coachella glasses right now? Okay, glasses off. So I went to first off, one thing that I have to say, if you plan on wearing something skimpy or just like out there, speaking of out there, first thing, you plan on walking a lot of time while you're going to be at Coachella. So it is very, very important to try to get some workouts in. Like, literally, if you are not used to physical activity and you're not used to moving a lot, Coachella might be a little hard for you, because I've been to festivals and Coachella is a much longer festival than others. So your feet are going to be on fire. So what I would recommend is going to the gym. If you don't work out, make sure that you are at least walking on the treadmill, walking other places, getting your steps in, because you want to be ready for this festival. Your feet are going to be hurting. You're going to be tired. This is literally going to be like a workout in itself. So you want to make sure that you're ready. You want to make sure that you're hydrated. You want to prepare yourself for this situation. Second, also, you want to make sure that you bring your sunscreen, because it's going to be very, very hot out there. My cousin told me that it's predicted to be about 100 degrees. So that's insane. Me personally, I want to get a tan, so I'm going to put on sunscreen, and I'm also going to put on some suntan oil, because I'm trying to get dark. I'm in New York, so I want to make sure that I get me a nice little tan. When I come back, people know that I went somewhere. They need to know, and they're going to know. I'm going to make sure that I get my suntan on, but you are definitely going to want sunscreen, because you can definitely wear both. This way, make sure that it protects you from getting burnt, but you still get that nice color that you might be looking for. Third, you really need to make sure that you have portable batteries, because your phone is going to die. If you're going to be out there all day, you want to make sure that you have some type of backup, because I'm pretty sure that it's going to be really, really, really hard for you to get to a charging station, or it might even be expensive, because I know a lot of places now, they charge you at festivals and stuff like that. So I'm going to bring two, because I know that one is not going to be enough. I'm going to be getting a lot of footage for you guys. So I'm going to make sure that I bring two portable chargers, so that way I have no issues when it comes to the charging stations. 4, you want to make sure that you have awesome, awesome, awesome outfits for this festival. I love festivals because I feel like it is a no judgment zone. You get to wear whatever you want, just put things together, and it just all works. Like, everybody loves what you're wearing. They love when you wear crazy hair. That's why right now I'm putting the pigtails. I know for this weekend, I'm probably going to have bantu knots in my hair, but I'm actually thinking about changing my outfit 3 times, like literally in one day, because I don't know the next time I'm going to Coachella, and I need to get some fire ass pics. So I'm going to make sure that I get a lot of content, and I'm going to change 2 to 3 times. You gotta love New York for stuff like that. Alrighty, so I got me a couple outfits because I'm very excited to just be able to switch it up. What's up, Stella? My little belly. So first thing, I saw this in the store, and something about it to me just said, diva, awesome, beautiful, nice, show it off, girl. So this is what I got. I made sure I'm going to get this. I'm going to put it over a black top. And what I actually just got, I just got a couple of my bathing suit tops, because sometimes you don't want to spend money, and I didn't want to spend too much, because I'm really trying to budget in 2018. So what I'm going to do is use some bathing suit tops that I already have. And then with this, because you know there has to be some fabulousness with this, your girl got some bell bottoms. I saw these bell bottoms and I thought they were so cute, so fashion, so Coachella, just so different. And I want to make sure that I look different. So I got these cute little bell bottoms and I'm so excited to wear these. And it's very light in material. I had to make sure that everything that I got was very light in material because it's going to be extremely hot there. So you want to make sure that you don't have too much going on as far as, you know, heavy clothing. And I got all of, like, literally everything that I'm going to show you, I got from a little store down the street. It was going out of business. Everything was like $6.99 to like $10. And I was so excited because inside it literally had everything that you might need for Coachella. It had so many different designs. It had florals. It had skirts. It had shorts, you know, the nice ripped up jeans. It had everything that you could want. So, you know, I went to that store and just gathered up a couple of things, and my entire bill only came out to $33. So this was definitely a steal. So with that outfit, I got these little gladiator sandals. And the reason why I got them, first off, look at this bend. Okay, this right here feels like a cushion. So I wanted to make sure if I'm going to be walking around for a long time, I wanted to make sure that my feet were going to be very, very comfortable. So I got these, and these were only $5.99. Like, this is, I'm like the cheapest person ever. I'm not big on spending a lot of money. You're not going to see me, you know, wearing name brand and stuff like that unless my boyfriend's buying it for me. I am queen of buying stuff for very, very inexpensive. So I made sure to get, that's one of my first outfits. And then I saw this and I just got so excited. Like, who doesn't love mesh? Like, I love mesh. And how much was this? $7.99. So what I'm going to do, put under that, I just want to have a little of like an African vibe through some point of the day. So I'm going to wear these cute shorts and this nice blank top under it. This was only a $2 top. And then I'm probably going to put on like a head wrap. I'm not going to show you what hair wrap I'm going to be wearing yet, but I will show you obviously when I'm at Coachella. And then to top it off, like, doesn't it say Coachella? To me, this says Coachella. And I'm going to be wearing these, I don't know for how long, because I remember around this part right here, it was a little tight on my ankles sometimes, so I know I'm not going to be walking in these all day. This is definitely not going to be like my outfit that I'm wearing majority of the day. This is just to look cute at some point and just to switch on my outfit. So this is another outfit that I'm going to be wearing. Now, mind you, a lot of people, when they go to Coachella, they go all the days. So they have a reason to wear multiple outfits. But I'm only going there for one day for one reason, and that is for bae. So I have to show out for your girl. So on top of that outfit right there, what else have, oh, of course, I had to have the flowy look. Because I've seen pictures and girls just have the flow, looking like a little flower child. And this is probably when I have like the flowers all up in my hair. And that is this dress right here. So I got this dress a while back. And it's crazy because you see there's a hole in it, but I kind of don't care because I kind of don't care. So I'm going to wear this. And the reason why I'm excited about this, because if this was just a full-on dress, I probably would not be able to wear it out in the heat. But since it's shorts underneath, this is definitely something that's not going to be too layery, too, you know, hot on my body. So this is something that I'm going to be wearing, and I'm very, very, very excited. So those are my outfits for Coachella. Number 4, you have to make sure that you have your accessories. Accessories. That's one thing that I've seen so different in Coachella than any other festival is the accessories. People make sure that they have bomb accessories all the time. So that's your sunglasses, that's your necklaces. To me, honestly, this shirt right here, this is an accessory. Now, obviously, I have something cute to go with this as well, because remember, I'm going to be wearing a black bell bottoms with this. So I made sure, and I'm actually going to be wearing 2 necklaces. I'm going to be layering because I just want to be very dramatic, of course. And where's my other necklace? Where'd it go? Oh, found it. So I'm going to be wearing this choker, and I'm going to be wearing this necklace right here with that outfit. And honestly, with most of my outfits, And I made sure to also get me a nice little dangly bracelet. I had some elephants because I'm a Delta, of course, and then some peace because when I'm there, all I want is good vibes. So I'm gonna make sure that this is gonna be, you know, just manifesting what I want. I want peace and blessings and fun and Beyonce and Beyonce and Beyonce. Last but not least, you want to make sure that you have comfortable shoes. I was talking about your outfits, but the shoes are very, very important. You might need to put another pair of shoes inside of your book bag. Now, I have this book bag right here. I'm going to be carrying this book bag around with me because it's going to hold my other outfits. I made sure that my other outfits were very light so that way it's going to be able to hold inside of here. So I'm also going to make sure that I have an extra pair of shoes in here because if your feet get really, really tight, you're going to want to make sure that you have extra pair of shoes. You don't want to go somewhere and, you know, you just have to fall out. And if you do fall out, just make sure that you have like a scarf. Me personally, I'm not going to be able to carry a blanket around everywhere, but I am going to make sure that I bring a scarf. So that's another thing you should also make sure that you bring your scarf and your extra shoes in here so that if you get tired, you can sit out. You have no worries about your feet hurting. You can just relax, enjoy some food because I heard there's a lot of food trucks there. So your girl is going to be cheating this weekend. I'm just letting you know now. And I'm going to show you all of it. So make sure that you still stay on point with whatever drink you got going on because I'm showing it. So those are my top 5 tips for what you need for Coachella. I'm very excited about this weekend. I cannot wait to bring you guys along. You want to make sure that you follow me on Instagram because I'm going to make sure that I'm getting little snaps of it everywhere. I used to use Snapchat a lot. I don't much more often because I don't, it's just not the same. So I'm mainly going to be putting stuff on my Instagram, both my personal and my fitness. Brandon Britt is my personal. Killer Body NV is my fitness. So make sure that you check out both. I'm going to have a lot of things to show you. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Drop down in the comments now if you specifically want me to record anything at Coachella. Because I want to make sure that I get as much footage that I can, but I want to make sure that I can get what you guys want to see. So I can't wait to take you guys with me to Coachella, and I will see you soon.